Let's delve deeper into the industry issues behind analytics and their use. For the first question, gentlemen, you discussed some reasons why buildings don't perform as designed. What do you see as the key cause of poor building performance, and how do we address it? Srinivas, should we start with you today?
Sure. The building systems are designed to provide heating and cooling needs on a design day, which is the hottest or the coldest day of the year. However, we also know that the zone conditions are not only changing from hour to hour, they could also change from day to day and also seasonally. So, but we still operate the buildings as if it's a design day every day. So that's one of the major problems on why the buildings use excess energy.
I think the controls are a key component of what we're talking about here, and buildings are getting more complex, building systems are getting more complex, right? So it was requiring these more complex sequences of operations. And that's putting a lot more pressure on design engineers in their designs. And we're seeing some uptake, but reticence also of going too far with the complexity of these control sequences that really deliver that performance on those part load days.
All right, let's move on to the next question. How does data analytics bridge the gap between how operators are actually operating the buildings and design intent?
You know, building operators generally are either attending to the complaints or trying to put out fires, and they hardly have time to look at the day-to-day operations in detail. So building analytics can help the building operators in taking the raw information from the building automation systems and then converting it to useful information or actionable information.
All right, so what are some of the keys to ensuring analytics live on with the building operation? So you've gotten that buy-in, but how do you make sure it continues?
Finding a champion inside the organization, whether that be an individual or a small team that will ensure that the processes are followed and really keep this process alive is critical. And whether that be somebody in the sustainability group or facilities or operations, but it has to be something that they really want to make work over the long run.